Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Kik email address. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To change your Kik email address on a mobile device, first open up your Kik Messenger application and make sure that you're logged in. From the main home page of Kik, tap the gear button at the top left hand corner. Now, click on Your Account option. Right under Your Account, tap on Email and you'll be able to see the current email address that you have for your Kik Messenger. Go to the email text box and remove the current email. Type in the new email address you'd like to change to. And once you type in your email address, tap on the Save button at the top right. Now, you'll be able to see this pop-up message where it says email updated. Tap OK. You'll need to confirm your email address in order to change it completely. So, open up your email service provider inbox and make sure to open up the same inbox that you just entered the email address for. Once you open up your email inbox, you'll be able to receive an inbox from Kik. Click it open and confirm your email by tapping on this Confirm Email button. Once you've successfully confirmed your email address, go back to Kik and you'll be able to update or change your email address for Kik Messenger. Pretty easy, isn't it? That's how you can change your email address on Kik. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.